So we're reprogramming this K20 engine control module back to base. The original programming, the software came up with a message saying it was already in original programming, but it asked me if I wanted to confirm. So I don't think this is going to re-enable the transmission control module, but we'll see. So I'm going to attempt to program the transmission control module. Set up only. I had no communication with it with a snap-on scanner. We'll see what happens. It's been sitting like this for several seconds now. Let's try and see what happens. Downloading from the server. Make sure my battery charger is outputting current 10 amps. Set at 13.6 volts. Moment of truth. It appears to be writing to it. Let's see what happens. Well, it's slow, but it's progressing. Making sure my battery charger doesn't shut off. Well, let's see if there's any setup. I don't know if that worked, but we'll find out shortly. We got communication with the transmission controller now. So I'm going to do a network code clear. Come on back. Do that key on engine off. My battery charger's still going out there, yeah. Clear all codes read by code scan. Why did it do that? I'm honestly surprised that I was able to flash the TCM because I couldn't talk to it yesterday or on Friday when I checked this thing. So I programmed the PCM back to base values, and then I was able to program the TCM, which I had no communication with. Every time you flash program a vehicle with an aftermarket tuner, let's try another scan. Let's start it up. No warning messages. Let's try a post scan. Every time you flash program with any kind of aftermarket tuner, you're like playing Russian roulette. All it takes is the battery voltage to drop below a certain value, or sketchy connection on the DLC. It's like potentially brick a computer. Well, everything's clean and green so far. Sometimes after a PCM reflash you have to do a crankshaft variation learn, but usually if that's required it sets a specific code for not learned. Lost communication with TCM. That code is in OBD2 side. That'll clear itself. Let's see if we can clear that code. No, that'll clear on its own. It's not in the PCM. Codes menu. No codes. Well, let's take this thing for a road test. Nice tire noise. Transmission working fine. I'm hoping that's a tire noise. Well, it appears to have worked. I would have never believed that reflashing would be possible when I couldn't talk to the transmission control module with my scanner. So we're going to tell this customer to buy a lottery ticket because this appears to have worked. We took a road test and the transmission seems to shift fine. Let's do one more code scan. See if that OBD2 permanent code is cleared. It should have cleared. I think the tires are making noise on this thing. Controllers, 13 controllers, 14, 16, and that's the end of the report. Oh, that permanent code is in the con, but it doesn't show up in the OBD2 side of the ECM, so I'm going to disregard it. It should self-clear after a number of drive cycles because I'll go into generic functions and display trouble codes. There are no trouble codes to report, so we're good to go.